The name of the spaghetti sauce is Alice Joe's spaghetti sauce.
She did it again. Norton and everything.
Alice Joe cooks for the seniors at the church. Everybody has their own way of making spaghetti. I have my own personal way, the way I like to make it. You know, it's just one of those dishes that you can personalize and make your own. But today we're going to do Alice Joe's way.
Where are you? She's trying to grab the string and balance at the same time.
Miss Alice Joe puts in 2 tablespoons of sugar, which I don't usually do when I make
Hi,
and I'm going to use a tablespoon of
Riley.
All right,
Did you get enough string? Did you get enough string? No? You want more? That's yes. Say, look at me, Daddy. I got string. You have string?
All right, now I'm going to put a little bit of salt. I'm going to add a can of tomato sauce.
Huh? Who? Baby? Did Baby do that? Look at that 2 jig. Got to check out. It's right there. Beep, 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 beep. Look at her leg. Pull her back, see what she does. Ready? Go! Go! Yeah, I gotta get it. I'm still gonna get up and get it.
See what our spaghetti sauce looks like after simmering for 30 minutes. It's rich, thin, just loaded with flavor.
She is so
All right, our noodles
determined.
should be ready. And I'm using a box pasta, y'all. And I'm just gonna drain this.
Mom was like, you need to start scaring her like that. I was like, she likes it, Mom.
Few shakes.
Look at her outfit, people. Like, look at her. Look at her her bloomers.
So good.
Boo boo.
That's Joe Taylor.
Riley. Riley. Riley.
And tosses everything.
Riley.
Oh, it looks
Boo boo.
so
Riley.
okay.
She's like, I'm looking. I'm looking.
Then place this.
I'm busy. Leave me alone. I'm busy. I got strings to take care of.
Got my
Pull it back,
spaghetti
pull it back.
spoon. These are wonderful.
She won't like it.
If you don't have
Get
one
that
of
piece of
these,
paper out of her mouth.
you'll want to see that you get you one. You can buy them at the grocery store. You know, this section where they have different utensils. Okay.
No, I
Right
like
now,
that.
I'm gonna just add some extra salt.
She's like, all right, I got some. I got it.
All right, gonna just dust it with a little Parmesan cheese. And
I gotta go get it.
salad over here, and some French bread to go with it.
I got itty bitty fingers. I got itty bitty fingers holding on to it. Is that good, honey?
I can't really wait to taste it.
I got itty bitty fingers. So hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
And eat it the way I like it.
Boo boo.
That fixed it right up, Alice Joe. You forgot to stick a butter on it. Well, this end of the counter is Italy, y'all. Follow me down to this other end and we're going to Mexico. We're going to make a taco salad today. Now, you remember when I said I was going to pull out about a pound of ground beef from earlier? Well, that's going to go in our taco salad.
Excuse you.
So I've got some lettuce that I started shredding. And then I'm just going to finely shred our lettuce. Alright. So we've got our lettuce all shredded. And there's a number of ways that you can make this salad. I'm going to add just some diced sharp cheddar cheese. And I'm going to tomatoes.
Does that give me a white?
Alright, now I'm going to add some ground beef.